Good morning, guys. Welcome to your Wednesday guided reading lesson. Today, we are going to go over pages 7 through 10 that you are assigned to read for today. Now, page 7 was just giving you an idea of what the pods look like. So page 7 was just a description of what the pods look like that you could find on the cacao trees. Let's go to page 8. So on page 8, this subsection, this subtitle was called Preparing the Beans. So your assignment from Tuesday was to find the main idea and supporting details. So the main idea is it's not the pods that are important, okay? It's actually the 20 to 50 beans found inside the pod. So this is our main idea. Our supporting details is it takes a lot of beans and a lot of work to make a kilogram or 2 pounds of chocolate. So in other words, you need 800 beans to make chocolate. That's a lot of beans. And a pod only has 20 to 50 beans. So you can imagine how many pods you would need. Another supporting detail was a skilled pod breaker can break open as many as 500 pods in a single hour. Okay, so this supports why you need so many beans. Okay, now let's go to page 9. On page 9, I highlighted, instead they are cream colored and covered with a soft pulp. I found that interesting because, as we all know, chocolate is brown and the seeds are actually a cream color. Okay, so now I want to think, makes me want to go to my Kwl chart, and it makes me want to know how do they go from cream to chocolate? Okay, on page 10, I highlighted the fermentation can take more than a week, but the fermented beans still do not taste or smell like chocolate. I actually found that very interesting. Okay, now let's go to our Kwl chart. Okay. So our Kwl chart looks like this. Okay, let me move the chair. So our Kwl chart, what I want to learn, how long does it take to make chocolate? We kind of got an idea. It's going to take a long time. And is chocolate naturally sweet? Right now I'm going to say no because I find beans not to be sweet. Okay, so what I learned. On here, we could put a new fact that we learned. So let's think about something that we learned. What could we have learned? And I'm going to put the bean is cream colored. That's an interesting fact for me. Okay? Now, let's continue. What I'm going to want you to do for next week is I'm sorry, not next week. I'm just kidding, guys. Let's go into our word work. So we have been working on, and I know it says Tuesday, so don't worry about that, but we have been working on recognizing and using words with the vowel sounds with R. Okay, so let's put some more examples on the control words with R. So let's think of what we could put. So, what if I gave you fear? Okay, fear. Do you have the vowel sounds with the R? You have a vowel right here with R. Because remember your vowels, guys. A vowel is A, I, O, U, E. Okay? Now, let's go to the word born. born. Okay? Do you have a vowel before R? Yes, it's the O. Born. Now, let's look at the word learn. Do you have a vowel before the R? What would it be? A. Okay? So let's try the last one. My favorite color, purple. Okay? Do you have a vowel before the R? That's right. It's U. So that is why we're recognizing and using words with vowel sounds with the R. So let's go back to the words we looked at yesterday. So, do you have a vowel before the R? Yes, it is A. Do you have a vowel before the R in the word fear? A. Fair. A is the vowel and stairs, I is the vowel. Okay? Now, that was our word work for today. For tonight, or I shouldn't say tonight because you know I don't like you working through the night. So, for Thursday, I would like for you to read pages 12 through 16. I know that sounds a lot, but it's only 6 pages, and I really need you to read pages 13 through 16 because that's the total section that I want to cover tomorrow, and I want to go over how to do sequencing. So, today you're going to read 12 through 16, and I am going to leave you with a question, and you can actually find this question on your Google Slides, which I will put right after this. Give an example of a description the writer used to show what the pulp-covered beans were like. So what I want you to do, I want you to think about that question. And what I want you to do is describe, pick out the sentence or multiple sentences that the author used to describe the pulp bean. Okay, I want those descriptive words. How do you know that that's what it looks like? So when I close my eyes and I read your answers, I want to be able to physically see it. Maybe I could taste it. Maybe I could smell it. This is our descriptive words. Okay? So don't forget 2 things. You're going to read pages 12 through 16, and you're going to answer the question that I'm going to post on Google Slides. Okay, guys. Enjoy your afternoon. Bye.